Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mohammad Sabir, Associate Professor, Electronics and Communication Department. Today I am going to introduce the subject Biomedical Engineering. Hello everyone, today we are starting Unit 1 of the subject Biomedical Electronics. In this unit, we will understand what this subject is all about. We will also look at its scope, importance, and what we'll learn during this course. Now, the first question arises in our mind is what is the biomedical electronics? Biomedical electronics is a branch of electronics applied in the medical field. It's involved using electronics device to measure and treat the human body. Example include ECG machine, EEG system, X-ray, pacemaker devices. It helps doctor in diagnosis, treatment and patient monitoring. And it's combined knowledge of electronics, sensor and biology, in which we study electronics and sensor and also biology. Now, why study biomedical electronics? To understand how electronics help in healthcare. Second point, to learn how the body's signal like heartbeat, brain activities and temperature are measured. To get knowledge of medical instrument and their working, just like X-ray, ultrasound, EEG, EMG and extra. And to prepare for designing and maintaining the medical equipment and develop device help patient with disability like artificial limbs, hearing aids, etc. Now discuss the scope of the subject. Learn about the different type of transducer used in medical system. Transducer means device that convert one form to energy to another form, just like temperature to voltage. And study how physical signal like temperature, pressure are converted to electric signal and understand human body parameters like temperature, pressure, ECG, EMG. Understand the bioelectrodes and bioamplifier used in ECG, EEG and extra, etc. Learn about the diagnostic instruments just like ECG machine, X-ray, CT scan, etc. Learn safety standards and application in hospital environment. Now, next is what will you learn from the subject? The first outcome is understand human physiology and how transducer work. Second outcome is know how force, displacement and temperature are measured from the human body. Third outcome is implementation bioelectrodes and amplifiers for ECG, EEG and EMG. Fourth outcome is measure body parameters like blood pressure, flow and temperature. So learn practical use of these systems in ECG application. Fifth outcome is understand use of prosthetic aids, pacemaker and imaging equipment. Now there are many real type applications for biomedical. First is generally used in hospital, ECG machine, EEG machine, blood pressure monitoring machine and X-ray machines. Another is wearable devices like fitness bands and smartwatch which are using many sensor which monitoring the blood pressure, heart rate, etc. Another application is artificial kidney and heart lungs machines and help disabled person, for example hearing aids. And another application is emergency tool like defibrillator, pacemakers. So these are the all real life applications of biomedical electronics. Now discuss importance in engineering field. Biomedical field is growing fast with new innovation and there is high demand for engineers who understand medical devices. Useful in research, design and development of medical device and helps build low cost healthcare solution for rural and remote area. So you can work in hospital, equipment manufacturing company or research lab. So it is good field if you want to use your electronics knowledge to save lives.